In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect iPhone 12 mini to laptop. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up and connect an iPhone 12 mini on any laptop that you have. You will be able to do this to transfer files, see all of the items inside of your iPhone 12 mini storage, and so on. The most direct approach to do this, and the one that I recommend, is using a lightning cable. So all that you have to do is plug the lightning cable into the charging port of your iPhone 12 mini and plug the other end into your laptop. Usually this is going to be a lightning to USB cable. Once it is connected, you will be able to transfer files, photos, and other data between your iPhone and the laptop. You can just use your laptop's file explorer or some sort of specific file transfer software, and this will allow you to transfer as many files as you want and access everything inside of the iPhone. You can use it to make a backup and so on. Alternatively, if you don't have access to the Lightning to USB cable, then you can also consider using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. You can ensure that both your iPhone and laptop have either Bluetooth or Wi-Fi turned on, and you either are on the same network if you are using Wi-Fi on both devices, or you connect them with Bluetooth. Now, you can utilize apps like AirDrop for Apple devices or third-party file transfer apps. These will allow you to transfer files between your devices completely wirelessly. Keep in mind that this might take a bit longer because you will be using your network instead of just a standard cable, but regardless, you will be able to transfer files as well. You can even download screen mirroring apps, so if you would like to record your iPhone 12 mini's screen, you will be able to use those sorts of applications like Duet Display or VNC Viewer. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect iPhone 12 mini to laptop. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.